Hello, little artists! Welcome back to ANHAD Kids Arts, where we color and have fun every single day. Today, we're coloring an awesome home. Are you ready? Let's do this together. First, let's grab our favorite colors. Let's start with the sketching. You can choose any color you love. There are no rules in art. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and never be afraid to make mistakes, because every mistake is a step to something beautiful. Whoa, that looks so good! You're doing an amazing job. Now let's color the next part of our home. Let's add some fun colors. Make it bright, bold, and full of life. Want to add some extra things around it? Like stars, clouds, flowers, or even a rainbow? Go for it. Use your imagination. Maybe we can add a little sun or some birds flying in the sky. This is your masterpiece. Make it awesome. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. Just have fun and be creative. You're doing a great job. Look at this lovely little house. Doesn't it remind you of the cozy homes we see in storybooks? You have a spark inside you that can light up the world. Wow, look at your home. Amazing work. I'm so proud of you. Wow, your home looks fantastic. I'm super proud of you, little artist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ANHAD Kids Art for more fun, colorful videos just like this one. And hit that bell icon